Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the topic is types of flagellas. Previous class we are discussing about the structure of flagella or cilia. Now discussing about the topic is types of flagellas. The remaining topic is a lateral appendages. Lateral appendages. So the lateral appendages, it is a one of the structure in the structure of flagella or cilia. So what is lateral appendages? Lateral appendages, that means of some flagellas or cilia. So it is a flagella or it is a flagellas. It is a flagellas. So the structure of the flagellas is a whip-like structure. Whip-like structures. So now what is the lateral appendages? So the lateral appendages means some flagellas is bears to the one or two or more rows of the small hair-like fibrils are present. Small hair-like fibrils are present. This fibrils is known as lateral appendages. This is known as lateral appendages. What is the meaning of lateral appendages? So the lateral appendages means some flagellas bears to the one or two or more rows of the small hair-like fibrils. Small hair-like fibrils. In this small hair-like fibrils is known as lateral appendages. Is known as lateral appendages. It is one of the structure of flagella or cilia. Today we are discussing about the topic is the types of flagellas. The types of the flagellas. So the types of the flagella. The types of the flagella is mainly based onto the presence or absence of the two or more rows of lateral appendages. Commonly it is based onto the presence or absence of the lateral appendages. What is the meaning of lateral appendages? So the lateral appendages means some flagellas bears to the one or two or more rows of the small hair-like fibrils is known as the lateral appendages. Lateral appendages is commonly known as mastigonemes. It is another also known as mastigone. It is the common name of the mastigone. Next, the types of flagellas is based on to the presence or absence of the lateral appendages. Lateral appendages. Next, these types of flagellas is mainly 5 types. These are mainly how many types? 5 types. So the first one is stichonematic. The first one is stichonematic. And the second one is pantonymatic. Pantonymatic. And the third one is acronematic. Third one is acronematic. And the fourth one is pantacronematic. The fourth one is pantacronematic. And the fifth one is enematic. The fifth one is enematic. So these are totally, the flagellas is divided into the how many types? 5 types. The first one is stichonematic. And the second one is pantonymatic. And the third one is acronematic. And the fourth one is pantacronematic. And the fifth one is enematic. Now discussions about the types of flagellas. The first one is stichonematic. Stichonematic. The types of flagellas is based on to the presence or absence of the lateral appendages. Presence or absence of the lateral appendages. These are mainly further divided into how many types? 5 types. Stichonematic, pantonymatic, acronematic, pantacronematic, and enematic. Now discussing about the first one is a stichonematic. So the stichonematic flagellas, these of the flagellas is bears to the one row of lateral appendages. These are only bears to the one row. It is only bears to the one row of lateral appendages on the axoneme. This type of flagellas is known as stichonematic. What is the stychonematic flagellus? That means of this type of flagellus bears to the or present to the only one side of the lateral appendages. Only one side of the lateral appendages. This type of flagellus is known as stychonematic. This type of flagellus exhibited to the organisms are, the best example is Euglena. The best example name is Euglena. And the another also example is a Astacia. It is one of the stychonematic of the flagellus. So the types of flagellus is based on to the lateral appendages. So what is the lateral appendages? That means of some flagellus is bears to the one or two or more rows of the fibrils. In this, fibrils is known as lateral appendages. So it is the types of flagellus is divided into the 5 types. The first one is stychonematic, and the second one is pantonematic, and the third one is acronematic, and the fourth one is pantacronematic, and the last one is enigmatic. So the stychonematic flagellus, that means of this kind of flagellus bears to the only one side of lateral appendages. So this type of flagellus is a stychonematic. The best example is Euglena or Astacia. And the second one is pantonematic flagellus. Pantonematic flagellus. This kind of flagellus is bears to the 2 or more rows of the lateral appendages on the axoneme. This kind of flagellus is a pantonematic of the flagellus. This kind of flagellus is exhibited to the organism is the best example is Monas. It is a pantonematic flagellus. And the third one is acronematic flagellus. Acronematic flagellus. This kind of the flagellums do not have to the lateral appendages. Do not have to the lateral appendages. And the terminal filament is naked. What is the meaning of naked? That means the terminal filament is do not have to the outer set. Do not have to the outer set. This kind of flagellum is a acronematic flagellum. And it is exhibited to the example is Chlamydomonas organism. The Chlamydomonas organisms, the flagellus does not bear to the lateral appendages, and the terminal filament is naked. The example is Chlamydomonas. This type of flagellus is a acronematic. And the fourth one is pantacronematic flagellus. So the pantacronematic flagellus, this type of flagellus is bears to the 2 or more rows of lateral appendages on the axoneme, and the terminal filament is naked. So the naked means without outer set. This kind of flagellus is a pantacronematic flagellus. It is exhibited to the organism is Arceolus. And the last one is enigmatic. So this kind of flagellums, the lateral appendages and the terminal filament both are is absent. This type of flagellus is a enigmatic flagellus. This kind of flagellus is exhibited to the organisms is a Cryptomonas. These are totally the types of flagellus. The types of flagellus is based on to the lateral appendages. What is the meaning of lateral appendages? The flagellus is bears to the 2 or more rows of the small hair-like fibrils. This is known as a lateral appendages. These are commonly known as mastigonemes. It is the types of flagellus. Next class continue to the tomorrow.